Hi there, this video's good live. Van Horn, Texas rocket launch video, UK 2021. Like this video, please some thumbs up. If you like this video on YouTube, and to all WhatsApp, enjoy this as well. Time at the moment, this is on the UK time, it's 14:10 PM in the afternoon. In analog that is 2:10 PM in the afternoon, and it is the 20th of July 2021. And the USA Texas is about 6 hours behind the UK right now. So it's their morning right now, guys. 8 AM or 10 minutes past 8 in the morning.
Automated launch happening just over a week.
Here we go, guys. Enjoy this video. Live rocket launch.
Richard Branson
into space.
On his space
that was the
tourism rocket.
23, 22, 21, 20,
we're follow the whole thing
19,
here live for you
18,
on BBC
17,
News. Let's just
16,
listen in and
15,
soak up some of the atmosphere
14,
in the last 10
13,
seconds
12,
before the launch.
11,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Command engine start. 2, 1.
Blast off! Blast off! Here we go, guys. You love Apollo 13 rocket launch? Enjoy this one. What a sight. And this is an international millionaire doing it on the cheap, guys. What a sight. Live right now, the BBC. In Texas.
Max Q.
Blue sky, beautiful day for it, the launch.
So there we have it, the New Shepard.
So if you like this video, please some thumbs up. Please subscribe to Mission with the Force video always. Great by Spot, the needs a minute, out interview. Please subscribe to Mission. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.
The oldest person to go to space.